Hey, hello, my name is G. Antoinette, and I'm here to help you get your eyebrows on point, okay? So if you have little to no eyebrows, like myself, and you want to get them from this to this, stick around. I got you. All right, so what you see here is me using my NK Auto Eyeliner in the color light brown, and I am using my own eyebrows as a guide as to where I want my arch to be. So I'm just drawing that bottom line, and then you'll see me draw the top line to connect it. Next, I am filling it in, light strokes. And I'm using my L.A Color eyeliner brow pencil in the color black to just darken it up a little. That brown pencil is just a little light for me, but honestly, I didn't really see much of a difference. Now I'm taking my spoolie and I am brushing it to just blend everything together. And I'm really paying attention or putting more pressure on the front of my brow so I can really get it to fade out. Next, I'm taking my e.l.f. angled brush and my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn. And I'm going to use that to highlight underneath and above my brow. When you're doing this, you just want to take your time, go slow, not a rush, and just go right up under the line of the brow, just to give it that crisp, finished look. And then you want to just blend the rest of the concealer down with the brush and your finger. Never underestimate the power of your finger, because that's one of the best makeup tools you could ever use, in my opinion. And next, you see me here doing the top brow. And here you don't have to use a concealer. You can also use your foundation if you don't want such a brighter halo look above your brows. The choice is yours. And again, use your finger to blur anything out, because we don't want to see where anything stops or starts. So blend that thing out, girl. Blend it out. Yes. Okay, girl. Now you see me doing the same thing with my left brow. However, this one was like a straight struggle because the lighting and me not having my glasses on, it was just a weird setup. It was easier for me to do the other brow versus this one, so I had to just step away and do it in the bathroom. So to keep my eyebrows on point, I use Model in a Bottle. I will leave the link below where you can get it. And it's basically like some type of, I don't know if you want to call it a serum or whatever, but you just brush it on your eyebrows. You don't want to use too much because it will get a little crusty. So just one application for each eyebrow and just let it dry. It dries in like about 30 seconds and you're good. And your eyebrows will last all day. Look at that. Nothing on my finger. Nada. Okay, girl, I see you. Yes. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you found it helpful, and I hope you like the brows, of course. And I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.